Hello, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy. I'm just going to make this video about trading commodities on Forex.com and a few of the frustrations, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, boom, boom, boom. I got a bandage. I cut myself with a razor, so I give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, share the video with friends and family. Want to disclose I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after you did your own research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. Okay, right on. So silver is something that I'm pretty passionate about. I think it's very undervalued. It used to be real money. Now they're kind of the Fed, they push it down and use it just as an industrial, and but I think that it's a very small market. So the same token with happened with palladium to run really high towards like $3,000 USD, or gold going up to almost 1,800. There's a gold to silver ratio, and so my thesis is that silver is going to be a lot higher than $17. Anybody in my family, I've gifted them coins. It's like I give them that stuff for birthdays. I give them maybe like 4 coins or something like that. Usually minimum gift, like a minimum gift I give to my family. Well, I don't have my brother anymore. I'm kind of sad about that, but I did give him some too. But anyways, with my family, I usually give them about 4 coins, silver coins. You want to buy those today, you're probably paying $28 a coin, Canadian funds, or like 20 to 22, 23, 24 USD for a coin. So yeah, they're not inexpensive now. It went as low as $11. But anyways, this isn't about talking about coins. Let's get into the Forex. Okay, so what's frustrating about Forex is that basically with platinum, if you want to buy platinum, you need to have the ability to buy 10 ounces. Okay, so it's on leverage, right? With Forex.com, it's max for currencies, I believe, is a 33 to 1. But for commodities, I think it's less. It may be like 10 to 1. They don't want to leverage too much, which is understandable. I know on Rich TV they're doing Forex and all that stuff, and basically that Amanda, she's doing 500 to 1, which is freaking crazy. Yeah, so that means if you have $500, then I think it gives you the ability to buy $250,000 worth of currencies, which is just absolutely retarded. Because $250,000 in currencies, like if you lose like 15 pips, you're gonna be completely like destroy your account, go to zero, which is very easy to do, to lose like 15 pips on a currency trade. So the 500 to 1 ratio is just like retarded. She's had like excellent success, but I don't think everybody's gonna have excellent success doing 500 to 1 ratio. But the point I'm trying to make is that with the ratio, okay, so you buy platinum, right? So it was at about 7.95, and I was right in the direction. It's just as far as the time goes. So because you buy 10 of them, and so like say I only have like $2,000 in my account, well then it's gonna draw down on the money. So then I'm only at like $1,700 when I'm only down, say like maybe I try to buy it at $7.95 and it goes to $7.85, and I lost like 140 Canadian. And then I do that like 3 or 4 times, and then you draw down your account like $400, right? And then you're not going to have the ability to buy the platinum, because I wanted to add more money with and it wouldn't let me add more money because they have like some type of risk profile for me, based on, you know, my wealth and, you know, my income and stuff like that. So that kind of, you know, it's all messed up. So that's what they did. And so I can't add more money, so I can't really play platinum. I don't think I would be able to buy platinum because I'm at like $1,900 or so. I might be able to, but if the trade goes against me, say like $10, you buy it at $7.90 and it goes $10 down, which is pretty easy to do, then you'd have to sell out your position because it'll close your position. So yeah, I mean, maybe I can move money from my bank money. Maybe it lets me do that. I don't know, but I've tried with my credit card and it wouldn't let me. So it's kind of frustrating. So I'm just trading silver right now, and you know, silver's kind of gone down from you know, it's at like 1755 and now it's at like 1725. So I think it's gonna go to about $18 to $19. Not to mention, when you play silver on the commodities on the Forex, it's XAG USD, and if you do gold, it's XAU USD. So you can buy, when you buy the silver, you buy it in, if you buy one, you buy 100 ounces. Now if you buy two, you buy 200 ounces. So that's what I'm doing, and I have the contracts, and you know, as long as I still have like a balance between it and it doesn't go against me, then I'm good. So yeah, I'm gonna play it till about $18 or $19, I believe. And yeah, then I you know, because I've lost money on my platinum trades, which is really frustrating, because I mean, if I didn't play the trades and I waited until it got to start going to from like 780 to like 850, I would have made $1,000, and I would have like all that room in my account to make mistakes. But now, like, I don't have any discretion to make mistakes if I want to try to be able to play platinum. And with palladium too, you need to buy 10 ounces as well. So that's a pretty big substantial. I mean, 10 ounces, you know, USD, you know, I did 10 ounces, so $8,000, and you do the conversion, you're talking about like $14,000 Canadian, right? So it's kind of frustrating. I wish you could just buy 1 ounce, but that's not the case. Now with gold, you can just buy 1 ounce. So I've had pretty good success with gold, because, you know, it doesn't trade very volatile, and it's usually one of the stronger precious metals, more likely to move up when the precious metals do go up. And then silver, you know, it's done pretty good in the last month. So, and then with you know, I can't do with the copper. I did that once, and you pay like a 0.5, like it's like 242. So when you're buying pounds, you buy it at 245 or 250 a pound of copper, but when you're buying that, you pay like 245, and it's like, turns out, I don't know exactly how it works, but you're buying actually like 2,000 pounds. So but you buy the 242, so then you're gonna have to pay at 242.5. So in order for it to go up, it needs to go to 242.53 or whatever to make like 3 pips. So that's the dealio with copper. So I haven't had success with copper. I've failed on the copper trades, but I think I'll use it in the future. Copper is just a more it's like Dr. Copper. It's an industrial metal, so when copper goes up, it's good sign for the economy. So I'm definitely going to use that, but it's kind of frustrating. My go-tos for commodities, I'm just going to focus for now on XAU USD, XAG USD, which is the gold and silvers. So Now with moving forward with like GBP USD or like Euro USD or USD CAD, I wish I had another computer, because you know, you kind of want to focus on the dollar index as well as the like just the currency pair. So I'm not very confident with the currency pair. I've made a few trades that are good, but like I usually just play, so like maybe 2,000, or that was like a minimum trade, but I've been trying like maybe 8,000 or 10,000. The biggest one I've done was like 12,000. So that's like 0.112 of a lot. A lot is like 100,000 in the currencies. So I know like some big players, they play at the one lots. So if you get like 15 pips, that's $150. If you get 50 pips, that's $500. So I mean, if you're getting like lots of pips, you can definitely like grow your account. But if you're like only accumulating like 10, 20 pips, yeah, I mean, you're gonna get like $100, $200, right? But I mean, until you start collecting like on a weekly basis, like 250 pips or something like that, that's when you're getting like $2,500, right? Which is pretty substantial, especially in like USD. So I may join their academy, because like Antoine seems like very smart with the charts on like the currencies. So I may try that out just for like a month or two, and see if I like it. And then with Omar seems pretty smart. So, but I'm gonna focus on my commodities. I want to break even, and then I'll make a decision from moving forward. But anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and keep compounding your info. Listen to my lingo, and shaka, peace. Ooh, I'm outie.